So my last question is, if I've sat through this whole video and maybe I'm ruminating a bit on what is my true self? What should I create content about? And I want to go get started. And I'm going to close my laptop after I watch this and go try and do one thing today to move in the right direction. What should I do to begin growing a brand?
Yeah. So first, self-reflection. Start within. Why do you want to make content? Do you want to be famous? Is it for some vain reason that you want to like get clout? Because this is a professional sport. Like we are competing against, I'm competing in a way, competing against Iman. I'm competing against Luke. I'm competing against Alex Mosey. We're competing against each other. So it's very competitive. And so if you're going to try to be a content creator, I really do not think that you can be the CEO or COO of a business and be a full-time content creator. Hormozy is a full-time content creator. His wife runs the businesses. He can have input. He can do a few hour meetings, but he is sitting there for 6 hours a day writing his book. And then when he's writing his book, he can take what he's learning and then probably put that into a YouTube video because it's fresh. And then he can take those pieces of the video and then make a short form. But that is hours and hours. And the hardest thing about content creation is it's creativity. And you only have like 3 or 4 hours of a day where you're really like fresh and creative. And so there's no way that you could spend your best hours of the day running a business, managing people, making sure things are getting done, staying on top of things, and then just go be creative. So if you're going to do content, I love learning. I spend 3 or 4 hours on YouTube every single day, and I have to cut myself off because I just love to learn, but I know that that's not productive enough, and then I'll go make content. But then I'm sitting there for 3 days straight, 6 hours a day, trying to reword this in the best, most helpful way to my audience. And so if you want to make content, that is your full-time job. You will make enough money off of YouTube ads to pay your bills, to make whatever you need to survive, and then any business you can build up in the background, that will pay the big money basically. So my really only advice is now is the best time to get started making content, because once AI is here, like Synthesia, all these AI avatars, AI companions are going to be really huge very soon. It's going to be almost impossible to stand out, because now people that are really good copywriters that never had the performance, that I'm just going to say it, a lot of the reason that a lot of personal brand people work is because they have a very similar look. They're all white, American accent, intelligent, decent looking, good on camera. Like the biggest people, it's a huge part of it. Ali Abdaal works really well because he was a doctor, good looking guy, friendly, you get a good vibe, you feel like he's authentic. And so that is a huge part of it. But now that AI is coming around and people who are savage copywriters that know psychology like the back of their hand, can tell stories better than anyone, can make up anything, now they just need an AI that looks good, that can present well, and now they just use their words. It's gonna get really competitive. And so the biggest thing is getting a seed audience. Once you get like your first 1,000 followers on YouTube, now you can make a video where enough people will see it that if your click-through rate's high enough and your view duration's high enough, it will go viral as long as you become skilled enough to make a video worthy of 1 million views.
That is a crazy thought, the AI avatars. I know a lot of people who are savage copywriters but cannot make a YouTube video to save their life. So that'll change the game, but I love that. I think, the best time to start was yesterday. Second best time is today.
Oh yeah?
Brett, where can they keep up with you?
Brett Malinowski.
On every platform? At Brett Malinowski?
Yeah, YouTube's the best content though.
Okay, good. Guys, 100% shameless plug, good friend of mine, somebody who I've been watching go on this journey for literally years now, like 5-6 years, from running a video agency, shooting videos for local clubs in Kansas City to 500,000 on YouTube. Everything in this podcast I think is super authentic, super digestible, and literally the framework to grow our brand online. So Brett, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for coming on the channel, my friend.
Thank you.
And yeah, until next time,